tag so that you wouldn't get off of the stroller. It's looped onto the loop on the thing. So yeah, so I think I'm tired. I think the place is fucking. So probably she'll go back in there. So I don't hold it while we're watching them show. So where are you staying here? Or are you going to listen or what? I'm not sure.
Well, I already told them the dead to rise again, so they're pretty well done.
Okay. Why? What are you doing? What's bathroom? What's up to oh, you're waiting for Kim. Well, I was going to say, we'll be down there for now, and then when we're done with that, we'll probably go to Clockwork Mountain. So if you end up wanting to come with us, that's what we'll be. But I forgot Kim's here, and after that, and she'll pretty much do some of her stuff. Plus, we've got our cell phone if you want to.
There's someone here that I've never met before that might need a boyfriend.
What are you making?
It's either going to be a hard hook or a Nike swoosh.
Nike swoosh. Do you make like simple stuff or do you do some complex stuff?
Yeah.
Both?
I do simple stuff and complex stuff.
Do you make like those puzzles, the little, you don't do the puzzles?
I make most of the stuff here though.
Most of it?
I don't make the Dutch ovens or the pins or knives, but about everything else I do.
Yeah.
It all depends what you think is complicated.
Oh, I was just thinking those puzzles, those are sometimes hard. The screwdriver combo. Cool.
Screwdriver part for cleaning out the musket.
Yeah. Like what would the just
Well, where the powder goes in, where the hammer comes down to put off the musket.
kind of
Yeah,
cakes off, gets the caked off stuff.
Yeah.
Cool.
So.
Or is this for like striking?
You get your.
Sweet.
This one's not been doing too well. Oh well.
You sell the strikers?
Right here?
Man.
Give me a hard time because I feel awful.
I don't suppose they bought a ye old ATM, did they?
We call this the time warp spot.